All right, here we are at the airport here in Chicago. We have one of the many Terminal 1 elevators. I wonder if he's going in the motor room. No, I think the other side's the motor room.
Lower level, baggage claim and ground transportation.
4 panels on
Upper
this.
level, ticketing and departures.
See, this is where these all open up to. As you can see, it's pretty late at night, so this whole area is all closed off. But there's more of these elevators down the way. Hopefully this thing doesn't go. Doesn't look like it is. But yeah, there's a bunch of these elevators just like this one. We'll go back down to BL. This used to be one of the custom Montgomerys, just like all the other elevators in the terminal. Here's a look at the certificate. 150 feet per minute. I doubt that. That is BS. This thing is slow as hell.
Lower level, baggage claim and ground transportation. Basement level, trains to city, parking, and terminals 2 and 3 going up.
What's that? There it goes. Slow ass doors. And that's it.